Mr. Love articulates a profound sense of uncertainty regarding his fatherhood, attributing this crisis to what he perceives as Miss Jackson's manipulative conduct. He specifically points to notable inconsistencies in their children's appearances, which serve as a focal point for his doubts. In a contrasting stance, Miss Jackson contends that Mr. Love's insecurities are deeply rooted in his own history of infidelity. She asserts her steadfast loyalty amid the turbulence that has characterized their relationship, marking a continuous cycle of betrayal that has undermined their partnership. Furthermore, Miss Jackson's past, which includes multiple children from different partners, raises significant concerns about her commitment to any singular relationship. This aspect intricately complicates the ongoing paternity dispute, introducing an element of ambiguity regarding potential father figures. Compounding the emotional turmoil are feelings of inadequacy and the isolating pressure of loneliness, which contribute to one individual's distress. The interplay between personal self-worth and societal perceptions plays a crucial role in shaping their decisions during this tumultuous period. In parallel, the legal dimensions of their situation emerge as they deliberate over the implications of divorce and child support arrangements. The anxiety stemming from the potential of being legally tied to children they may not biologically relate to introduces a layer of complexity to their circumstances. The intricacies of co-parenting reveal themselves as the emotional baggage carried by both individuals complicates their relationships. It becomes increasingly evident that clarity surrounding parental responsibilities is paramount to navigating these challenges successfully. Moreover, discussions around potential fatherhood instigate feelings of insecurity and doubt that permeate the relational dynamics between partners. Consequently, trust often becomes destabilized in the wake of such revelations, fundamentally altering the emotional fabric of their connections. The court proceedings emerge as a crucial arena for addressing paternity issues, underscoring the legal ramifications that intertwine with personal relationships. The stakes are undeniably high for all parties involved, necessitating careful consideration of the outcomes. Exploring the ramifications of infidelity on family structures reveals how past actions can engender present challenges. It becomes evident that grasping the context of these decisions is essential for any meaningful progression in their relationships. One individual believed that a relocation would foster improvements in their family life, denoting an inherent desire for growth and enhanced opportunities. Yet, this decision inadvertently uncovered unforeseen complications that further complicated their situation. After feeling a sense of abandonment, the emotional support provided by Mr. Green became indispensable. This underscores the critical role that emotional connections play, particularly during challenging times when resilience is tested. The timeline of events reveals a rebound relationship that occurred shortly post-relocation, prompting inquiries regarding emotional stability. This development raises pertinent questions about the consequences of impulsive decisions on personal relationships. Taking responsibility for one's actions emerges as a pivotal factor in rebuilding trust. Acknowledging one's shortcomings and demonstrating a genuine willingness to change becomes vital in the recovery process of their relationship. Miscommunication in relationships can foster misunderstandings and emotional pain. Thus, it becomes imperative to elucidate intentions and feelings clearly in order to mitigate the risk of future conflicts. Navigating the challenges associated with co-parenting necessitates open communication and teamwork. Establishing clear boundaries and defined roles can significantly enhance the dynamics amidst parental interactions. In expressing her disappointment with the court's ruling, Miss Jackson reveals her deep-seated desire to salvage her family, despite facing an unfavorable outcome. This emotional investment underscores the challenges faced by individuals in similar circumstances. Mr. Levon's denial of paternity amidst his ongoing relationship with his girlfriend indicates a convoluted familial situation involving multiple children. This complexity adds further layers to the emotional and relational dynamics at play. The history shared between Miss Allen and Mr. Levon unfolds as complicated, characterized by a long-distance relationship fraught with misunderstandings and emotional turmoil. Such dynamics often exacerbate the challenges of resolving paternity disputes. Miss Allen presents a calendar as evidence to support her claims of intimacy with Mr. Levant. However, he contests the accuracy of the presented dates. This disagreement highlights the intricacies involved in establishing a timeline within their relationship. The dialogue further unveils an admission from Miss Allen regarding her intimacy with another man, Mr. Mitchell, during the same period. This revelation complicates her assertions concerning Mr. Levant's paternity of her child. Mr. Levant's outright denial of paternity, along with the emotional ramifications of not acknowledging the child, generates significant distress for Miss Allen. Her poignant wish for her child to know her father accentuates the emotional stakes inherent in this situation. The testimonies from both men weave a narrative of deceit and potential manipulation by Miss Allen, underscoring the critical importance of integrity in relationships and the subsequent repercussions of dishonesty. Finally, the emotional repercussions stemming from the paternity ruling profoundly impact the involved individuals, bringing to the forefront the complexities of trust within relationships. It raises vital questions about the child's future and the overarching dynamics of the family.